Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is my morning cleaning routine. My cleaning routine usually starts after I had my morning cup of coffee and breakfast, and I always try to start with making my bed. I said it many times before that making my bed in the morning really motivates me to clean, and not only clean, it motivates me to get stuff done. It's also a great thing to start with if you are feeling very unmotivated, because it's such an easy and small task, and for me it makes a huge difference, and that always motivates me to keep going. If I don't do my bed straight in the morning, I will make it sometime during the day, because I love to lay down in a made bed at night.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough.
After I make my bed, I pick up all the clothes around the bed and take them into the laundry room, so there isn't any dirty laundry laying on the floor, and I also start a load of laundry. I try to do one load a day because I don't have a dryer, so all the clothes have to air dry. It's easier in the summer because then I can do multiple loads in one day if I have to, but now that it's winter, this is impossible. And I'm actually very behind on laundry right now because I was sick not so long ago, so everything piled up a little bit. I also tidy up in the laundry room, so I pick up all the clothes that are on the floor and sort them into the laundry baskets.
Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
I usually fold laundry in the evening in my bedroom while watching YouTube videos or movie, and everything that doesn't go in the bedroom usually stays in the laundry basket until the next day, and on this day I had some towels and cleaning cloths that I have to put away.
Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love. I've been seeking for the glory. Say my name. And I've been trying to write my own story in the search for fame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down, down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. I always feel so lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, night on to midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand.
Now that I put everything away, it's time to take care of the kitchen. I'm picking up everything from the table, which is usually just a couple of things from breakfast, and I wipe it down if necessary, and then I will start putting away the dishes that I washed last night, and then I wash the dishes from breakfast and if anything was left from the night before. Kitchen definitely takes the most of my time in the morning, mostly because I do a little bit more cleaning, while in other rooms I'm just tidying up, but I like to keep my kitchen as clean as possible throughout the day before the big disaster strikes with making dinner.
I just end up looking like a showcase. I haven't myself to blame. I'm sitting here in this empty room. Walls keep tumbling down, down. 'Cause I ain't got nobody. So lonely when the day is through. I'm in the spotlight, not home till midnight. I want somebody to hold my hand, 'cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
If you are new and you are enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. There is a lot of different videos coming out because I'm doing Vlogmas this year. In the next couple of days, I will also share my evening cleaning routine. I do a lot more cleaning in the evening, so my morning routine can be as short as possible. So be on the lookout for that if you are interested in routine videos. I really like to watch these types of videos because they remind me what else I can start doing on a daily basis to make my day or week a little easier and my house cleaner.
I'm in the spotlight.
Once I'm finished with washing the dishes, I wipe down the counters and stovetop to remove any crumbs or dust, just to freshen everything up, and I'm using my Splendid kitchen cleaner for that.
I'm getting really scared of heights. I used to spend time with all my friends, but who's gonna like me if I'm not there? 'Cause I got my head in the clouds, but I'm getting really scared of heights.
I hoped we were gonna make it.
I also like to dry and put away the dishes I washed before because I like to clean the entire sink in the morning. I don't do this every single day, especially not if I have a lot of dishes, because I hate drying and putting away dishes, mostly because that was my #1 chore at home while I was growing up, and after a big family dinner it always seemed like it will never end, so I'm still avoiding it and I let my dishes air dry most of the time.
Where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love, tequila and bluegrass. Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee. Dreaming of what we could be from the back of your dad's red truck. No one thought I was gonna make it. No one believed I'd take the time for realizing my own dreams and taking care of you and me. I knew we were always gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast.
After I'm done in the kitchen, I will head in the living room and I will fix the couch and wipe down the coffee table, and of course I forgot to pick up the dishes here before I started in the kitchen. I swear this happens almost every day, so I'm actually glad it happened on this day because that's literally how it happens most of the time.
From the back of your dad's red truck. Those days we were invincible. Splitting up would be unthinkable. Though at times it made me cynical, I wouldn't change a single thing.
And usually by the time I clean the kitchen and the living room, my laundry is already done, so I'm gonna go back into my bedroom and take down the dry clothes and put them in a basket, so I will fold them in the evening, and then I hang the clean laundry.
Evenings just like movie scenes along the roads in Tennessee, dreaming of what we could be. From the back of your dad's red, from the back of your dad's red truck.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding on the
And that is everything for my morning cleaning routine. It looks like this pretty much every day. Of course, there are days that I don't do everything, or I don't have to do something, or I have a big mess to clean in the kitchen because I didn't do the dishes the night before. It happens. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed, and tell me in the comments if your morning routine is similar to mine or not. If you even have a cleaning routine. I didn't have a consistent cleaning routine up until this year probably, and I also fall out of it sometimes too. Thank you all so much for joining me again today, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye!
We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all while.